So good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gagan Verma, and I look after the government business for Polycom. Before I start, I would just like to mention what Mr. Singh mentioned about when he was mentioning about the disaster in Japan. So I would like to give him, I would like to tell that visual communication played a very major role during that point of time so that different departments could collaborate and help in bringing the normalcy in the government operations. And all the people can talk to, it was the different departments who can collaborate amongst each other to make a decision so that the entire operations can be restored in a faster manner. So this is the impact of visual communication which is there. So I'm here to cover the impact of video for improved public safety and security. So as we know, the disaster when it used to happen about 10 years back and the disaster which happens today, so there is a lot of things have changed. In terms of the response time, in terms of the mechanisms which we used today and the mechanism which were used 10 years back. So whether it is natural disaster, whether it is security threats, health hazards or crime control. So the various trends today is which any typical government faces, the budget restrictions, citizen-centric approach, public safety, and the challenges are giving access and quality of various government services, training the next generation of public servants, better coordination, improved productivity. So the visual communication helps in a better collaboration amongst all the departments, whether it is administrative forces, whether it is police, whether it is courts, whether it is emergency services, health services. So it plays a very major role in making all these departments collaborate and helps in making a decision in a faster way. So these are the typical solutions which are generally deployed at the desktop level or at the command control level. One is on the headquarters, it is a video conference, which is an immersive telepresence, which gives an impact as if there is a person who is sitting right across the table. So if there are two locations, I would especially like to mention Northeast, since Mr. Singh is also handling Northeast domain. So Northeast is a very difficult terrain. So if today from here he wants to review any Northeast operations going on in whether in Manipur, whether in Assam, so it is the impact which he can have on a telepresence is totally different than a normal video conference, because it shows you have all kind of application, the content can be shared, and whereas you can actually see the other person is sitting just right across the table. So it helps in making a decision faster, it helps in improved productivity. Similarly, there are other solutions like wireless, whether it is handsets, wireless cards, mobile telepresence, and field communications. So these are the typical applications, whether it is department collaboration, whether it is engagement and awareness, whether it is mobility, home working, education, training. So these are the typical applications which are there. Justice services. So, and we are getting a lot of thrust in the last few years on the judicial application. So today, if you see, most of the states have deployed video conference between the jails and the courts. So it is very easy now, then otherwise it is a security hazard. All these prisoners have to be taken to the court. So there is a risk of them getting escape, and there are a lot of other costs also which gets benefit by using these kind of services. So these are the typical process in the emergency management. One is the mitigation and preparedness. Second is detection and warning, analysis and response, recovery and reconstruction. So we can have daily meetings, emergency planning, training on these kind of applications, whether it is surveillance and monitoring. So in these kind of solutions, everything is integrated, whether it is video conference, whether it is CCTV integration, whether it is live news channel. So everything is integrated. So today, if any crisis is happening, or a typical example I'll give of when this Osama bin Laden capturing was happening, when the US Army forces was attacking the Osama bin Laden, this entire thing was being watched live by the US President and his key officials. So this is the typical visual communication technology which is there. So the entire thing was seen live on the big screens. So this is the impact, and the instructions can be given online, everything can happen online. So this is the collaborative government we have solutions which starts right from the desktop, which goes right up to the telepresence, which is a room-based telepresence. So we have solutions for telemedicine, we have solutions for mobile, this thing, portable card. So suppose if a disaster happens in any of the states, so instead of depending on the room-based conference, a cart, which is a normal suitcase, it can be carried, and the media has to be there. So the entire communication can happen between the state as well as the official sittings in Delhi or the official sitting in the state capitals to help in bringing the normalcy. So this is a typical example wherein a crisis happened, and there are soldiers who are there from the helicopter. They are making it live. And similarly on the van, in the mobile van, you can have everything, whether it is mobile video conferencing cart, on the desktop you can have, the entire thing can be there on the cart and it can be broadcast live. So this is a typical solution which I would like to spend few minutes on. So herein you can have different feeds. You can have feeds coming from the CCTV, you can have feeds coming from the field, you can have normal video conferencing between different locations. So, and similarly, you can also watch what a press is reporting to the nation. Suppose if there is an emergency at the airport, a flight is hijacked, the entire thing can be watched live by the CCTV which are installed near the aircraft or inside the aircraft or along the runways. Similarly, airport official can talk to the key officials in the different departments, and they can also watch the entire thing live about what is the press which is reporting it to the nation. So this entire thing can help in bringing the situation under control. So it can be used as a war room, it can be used as a situation room, as a control and command room. So these are the main applications which are there for these kind of things. So similarly, this is a scenario wherein a riots is happening or any disaster which has happened, and the entire thing is being watched live by the key decision makers who have to take the decision. This same thing can also be used for distance learning. So today, if you have training academies, different police training academies you have. So it can be installed at the key training academies, people from different locations, far-flung locations, because it is very difficult from the people who are there in the Naxalite states to go to the main capital to have a training. So these type of telepresence units can be installed at the districts, wherein the key officials can go there, and the training, the impact of training, it would be as good as or better than a person giving it live. So you have everything available. The recording sessions can be done, the live training sessions can be done, the entire thing can be recorded and it can be streamed again. Similarly, it also helps in reviewing. A police officer or a district officer or a state commissioner can set every Monday 9 to 10, there will be a review of the district officials. Similarly, down below, the district officials can set every Tuesday, there will be a review between the different SHOs who are there, who are the head of the police departments. So this is a full operation picture in real time. So different layouts on this. And this typically shows on a police van, it is equipped with all the visual communication items, whether it is on the laptop. So we have solutions at the desktop level wherein the police officer can talk to their own seniors sitting at the head office on these kind of solutions. So whether it is air support, video cameras, mobile video, in-car video, everything is interoperable. So whether it is police station, police head office, courthouse, hospitals, detection center, all these things. Similarly, this is a typical setup. We have solutions for all kind of rooms, whether it is a telepresence room, which is a big room, whether it is for a training room, whether it is for a media room, whether it is for a normal conference room. So solutions are there for all kind of rooms, whether it is a VIP room, whether it is central operations and command rooms. So this is the advantage which we have. It delivers greater service, performance and communication, defying boundaries of distance, cost, time and organization silos. Thank you.